Okay, commercial truck, and they're towing the truck, so we're gonna go have a look. Name and badge number.
My name's Justin Kittredge.
Cool.
Badge number's right there.
Right there? Is that what you tell the judge?
Is that what I tell the judge? They never asked me that question before.
Oh, okay. How you doing, Mr. Thompson?
Good, how you doing?
Yep.
Having fun? A lot of break-ins going on, huh?
Where?
Well, there was one at the Mere Point Golf Club yesterday, right? I thought 2 cars were seen leaving.
What?
2 vehicles were seen leaving. And the back door was busted open.
That I don't know.
Yeah. You didn't hear about that one?
I had a lot going on yesterday.
Nice. Family stuff?
No, just busy here. Town's always busy.
Yeah. It seems like the crime rate is going through the roof.
Daytime stuff.
Yeah. No tag on the truck.
Plow with that?
Yeah.
Give a pass?
No.
Driveway?
Any word on the firearm I found? I figured nothing, but yeah.
Serial number didn't come back stolen or anything, so.
Oh, excellent. Still, you'd suspect it was a crime being 15 feet off the bridge like that.
Yeah, I know.
As soon as you jump on the bridge and bail one off. It just seemed like foot chase and then throwing the firearm in there, because
We had a guy turn in some firearms. He's like, I didn't know what to do with them. He said a friend of his told him just throw them off the bridge. I'm like, no, don't do that.
no, Bryce will find them. Heck yeah.
So they can find your bicycles off there?
I found parts of bicycles and all. Yeah, I lost a couple magnets over there. So much bridge debris in the water that, you know, it's very difficult to do the job there.
Yeah, you're not picking it up.
Yeah, I tried to find a guy's shotgun over in Pittsburgh, and I went out in the canoe twice. He lost it duck hunting, rolling his canoe over. And of course, I did the same thing. He got wiped out over there.
Oh, really?
That was fun. It was completely unsuccessful. I'm sure the firearm was deep in the mud. Not that it was stolen, he just lost it. It would have been neat. He could have put it on his wall in his garage, and that would have been cool.
Did you report it lost in case someone finds it?
I'm sure he did. And a lot of duck hunters knew it was there, so it's possible someone else has found it and probably didn't want to say anything. It was pretty sweet. It was like $1,000 shotgun. But
We found a couple years ago
yeah, oh yeah,
down on the river on the Beaumont.
yeah,
That was weird. It was down there 5 years.
right. Yeah, sorry. Yeah.
Yeah.
What's going on here? He's just missing his tag, or did you guys confiscate it? Or you're not going to tell me anything?
I can't tell you.
Right. Well, this is a public records request.
It can be.
Yeah, I'm the public, so it'd be okay to tell me. It's not a big deal. You know, since your department won't give me any public records. You know? The video they showed me in July, Andrew Fitzpatrick was in 2 places at one time. I know they edited the video. They took the flashlight scene from 11 o'clock and stuck it at 11:08. Right in the video, I saw it. I know exactly what happened. That's why he covered the timestamp. It's the only reason to cover the timestamp is to lie. That's the only reason. Nobody would do that unless, otherwise you'd cram the timestamp in my face. There'd be pictures of it everywhere. I know I'm right.
I have no idea.
I saw the gun drop. I know exactly what happened and exactly when it happened. You know, you can't tell me it didn't happen, because it did.
I don't know. I wasn't there.
Yeah, I know you weren't there. Thank goodness. You know, and it's not such a big deal, the gun draw itself. He could just say he was frightened, right? He had a bad day, wasn't sure why the lady tried to get out, right? And it's justified. I'd have been happy with that. But nobody would talk to me about it. All they would do is say it never happened. Ridiculous. I know it's on their master of the dash camera video evidence. I know it's on the master. You can't tell me no different. I know it is, because I saw it. The words I wrote in my complaint were never said in the video I was shown July 6th. You know, that's my sworn statement in my complaint. Is that officer said, "Get the F back in the truck," at the top of his lungs. Beautiful, huh? Show me that beautiful bit of police work where the guy has the flashlight. That's awesome.
Fix that.
Oh, went too far. All upset now. Sorry, you know I have Tourette's. When I start talking, it just comes out. That's the problem. I go to Amado's and somebody asks me, "What's going on with your police case?" And I tell them everything. I can't help it. It's upsetting to me even that I can't not say stuff. You know, it's difficult for me. I should shut up right now, but I can't. You understand that?
Oh, yeah.
I'm sorry, Mr. Thompson. You've always been extremely professional. Many of your other ones. I like the new guy, Williams. R. Williams. Got the goatee and stuff. It's not William. Is it William or Williams?
No, we got
R. Wilson. Is it Wilson? Wilson. He's relatively new, right?
Yeah.
He's really professional.
Yeah,
I filmed him twice, and he is one of your best officers.
no, he just
There, I'll deep throat the whole boot on that one. He's always been professional to me. And the older guy on day shift, he's really good too.
Sergeant Urick.
I think so, yeah. Yeah, he is like one of the most professional I've ever filmed, including yourself.
He's doing Reefs Across America right now.
Oh, nice.
We gotta go after
Yeah, I
work.
saw that.
Yeah.
I watched some video, and I was driving down to Portland last night and saw it all. They were paralleling us on Route 1. That was really impressive. It looked cool. Amen. Good. It's a good thing you guys do.
10-4. That is the key holder, and just talk to me. I'll be clear.
Yeah, I'm shaking. It's cold. Should have got the camera stand out, huh? Yeah, I got Obi-Wan riding with me. Alright, he's grabbed his stuff. It looks like they're gonna take the truck away. It was either stopped for no tag or they confiscated his tag, and I didn't hear that on the scanner, so I believe it's he's probably driving without a tag. Stay safe out there, Mr. Thompson.
Thank you, Bryce.
Y'all have a nice day. I'm gonna head on out.
All right.
Excellent work. Stay warm, yeah.